Amid all of that, we are still facing the coronavirus. The FDA now warning that self-administered coronavirus tests, including the ones used in Riverside County at testing sites right here in the Valley, can give potentially inaccurate results. News Channel 3's Jacob Garcia has more on this alert and the recommendation for some people to be retested.
New warning from the FDA that self-administered tests could yield false negative results. The alert specifically references coronavirus testing company Curative, which has been contracted with Riverside County to operate testing sites in Indio, La Quinta, and Rancho Mirage. Last month, the county made the switch from nasal and throat swab PCR tests to Curative's self-swab PCR tests, which county officials say is a less invasive option.
There are a number of people who are not as inclined to get an invasive swab at the back of their nose or at the back of their throat.
You're going to swab the inside of your mouth for at least 20 seconds. Be sure to swab inside each cheek.
The county hopes that with a more comfortable test, more people will get tested. It's also shortened the time it takes to return results. The switch coming at the cost of accuracy, though. The county says the previously offered nasal and throat swabs were 98% accurate. Curative's self-administered swabs, 90% accurate. In a statement to News Channel 3, Riverside County Public Health Officer Dr. Cameron Kaiser says, quote, positive test results from PCR tests, including Curative's self-administered test, are almost always correct. Self-administered tests, regardless of the vendor, have more potential to create false negative results compared to tests administered by a health professional. Kaiser says that's because when you swab yourself, people might not follow instructions precisely, which could result in too small a viral sample to be detected. The FDA advising to consider being retested after getting a curative test.
If somebody is sick, experiencing symptoms, and they had a negative result of this, that they may want to consider getting another test.
The county maintains that the tests are highly accurate, but important to remember that even with a negative test result, you can still be positive for coronavirus. I'm Jacob Garcia, News Channel 3.